Hello, everybody. The moment you think of giving up, think of the reason why you hold for so long. Okay, why you stayed for so long. Earlier, people used to say, do or die, because in earlier times, the life was at risk when a person didn't do a required task. Such was the case during independence struggle because oppressing forces were dominant and life was at risk. That was an old saying, but for today, I will say do it before you die because life is not at risk. You will die at a particular time. Okay, so do it before you die is the latest. Have you ever think the people who turn up winners, the champions are no supernaturals. They just fight one more second when all else will quit. Sometimes one more second of effort gives you victory. Okay, so whatever you are under process of accomplishing, just don't give up because it might be possible that your one extra minute of effort will give you victory. Okay, with this, I will begin today's words. The first word for today is hoard. HOARD. Hoard means stockpile, accumulate for future use. Example, whenever there are rumors of a food shortage, people are tempted to hoard food. Many businessmen also hoard food to earn more money during periods of shortage. Next word is hoary. HOARY. Hoary means white with age. Example, the man was hoary and wrinkled when he was 70. Next word is hoax. HOAX. Hoax means trick, practical joke. Example, embarrassed by the hoax, he reddened and left the room. Means his face turned red due to the trick performed over him. Next word is Holocaust. HOLOCAUST. Holocaust means destruction by fire. Now, earlier we have also studied one word for great fire. What was that? Conflagration. Okay, so Holocaust is just the result of conflagration. Example, citizens of San Francisco remember that the destruction of the city was caused not by the earthquake but by the Holocaust that followed. Next word is holster. HOLSTER. Holster means pistol case. Example, even when he was not in uniform, he carried a holster and pistol under his arm. Next word is homage. HOMAGE. Homage means honor, tribute. Example, in her speech, she tried to pay homage to a great man. In our society, to pay homage to some leader, we name the roads in their name, we name the hospitals in their name. Okay, this is just a means to pay our tribute to the great leaders. Next word is homeostasis. 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 Homeostasis means tendency of a system to maintain relative stability. Example, a breakdown of the body's immune system severely undermines the body's ability to maintain homeostasis. Actually, in our body, there is mechanisms that bring or keep the stability of the system. Next word is homespun. HOMESPUN. Homespun means domestic, made at home. In earlier days, when industrial revolution had not occurred, everybody wore homespun clothes. Next example, homespun wit, like homespun cloth, was often coarse and plain. Next word is homily. HOMILY. Homily means serious warning, sermon. Example, his speeches were always homilies, advising his listeners to repent and reform. Next word is homogeneous. HOMOGENEOUS. Homogeneous means of the same kind. Example, many educators try to put pupils of similar abilities in the same class because they believe that this homogeneous grouping is easier to handle and can grow in a better way. Next, one more example for this homogeneous is dress code is followed in many academic institutes so that the students are seen as a homogeneous group. Next word is hone. HONE. Hone means sharpen. To make shaving easier, he honed his razor with great care. If you want to get selected in job interview, hone your interview skills. Next word is hoodwink. HOODWINK. Hoodwink means deceive, delude. Example, having been hoodwinked once by the fast talking salesman, he was extremely cautious when he went to purchase a used car. Next word is hoard. HORDE. Hoard means crowd. Example, just before Christmas, the stores were filled with hordes of shoppers. All New Yorkers gathered or hoarded on the roads at the time of New Year. They celebrated New Year with full enthusiasm on the streets. Next word is hortatory. HORTATORY. Hortatory means encouraging. Okay. HORTATORY. Example, the crowd listened to his hortatory statements with ever-growing excitement. Finally, they rushed from the hall to carry to his suggestions. Next word is horticulture. HORTICULTURAL. Horticulture means pertaining to cultivation of gardens. Example, when he bought his house, he began to look for flowers and decorative shrubs and began to read books dealing with horticulture matters. Next word is hovel. HOVEL. Hovel means wretched house, a small shack place. Example, he wondered how poor people could stand living in such a hovel. Many municipal schools in our country run in hovel. Next word is hover. HOVER. Hover means hang about, wait nearby. Example, the police helicopter hovered about the police helicopter hovered above the accident. Many parents hover around their children during their study. Next word is hubbub. Hubbub. Hubbub means confused uproar. Example, the marketplace was a scene of hubbub and excitement. Next word is hubris. Hubris. Hubris means excessive self-conceit, arrogance, haughtiness. Example, filled with hubris, Lear refused to heed his friend's warnings. Next word is hue. Hue. Hue means color, aspect. Example, the aviary contains birds of every possible hue. Now, in arc welding operations, where we use oxyacetylene gas and oxygen gas, mixture of both to create high temperatures for welding, the welders differentiate between the two cylinders by the hue of the hose. Next word is again hue. Hue. Hue also means outcry. Example, when her purse was snatched, she raised such a hue and cry that the thief was captured. Next word is humane. Humane. Humane means kind. Example, his humane and considerate treatment of the unfortunate endeared him to all. Next word is humdrum. Humdrum. Humdrum means monotonous, dull. Example, after years of adventure, he could not settle down to a humdrum existence. Many actors of Bollywood lead a humdrum existence because nobody cares for them now. At the peak of their career, they were part of every new film. Next word is humid. Humid. Humid means damp, containing moisture. Example, she could not stand the humid climate and moved to a drier area. Air conditioners provide relief under humid climates. Next word is humility. Humility. Humility means humbleness of spirit. Example, he spoke with a humility and lack of pride that impressed his listeners. Next word is hummock. Hummock. Hummock means a small hill. Example, the ascent of the hummock is not difficult and the view from the hilltop is ample reward for the effort. Next word is humus. Humus. Humus means substance formed by decaying vegetable matter. Example, in order to improve his garden, she spread humus over his lawn and flower beds. Actually, humus is fertile top layer of the soil. Next word is hurtle. Hurtle. Hurtle means crash, rush. Example, the runaway train hurtled toward disaster. Next word is husbandry. Husbandry. Husbandry means frugality, thrift, economy. Example, He accumulated his small fortune by diligence and husbandry. Okay, so husbandry means using your resources economically, collecting everything that you can keep for future. Next word is hybrid. Hybrid. Hybrid means mixed breed, mongrel. Example: Mendel's formula explains the appearance of hybrids and pure species in breeding. Actually, Mendel's formula tells the transfer of traits. It says that the traits are carried to the new generations in the ratio of 2:3, means two traits from one parent and three traits from the other. Next word is hydrophobia. Hydrophobia. Hydrophobia means fear of water. It is a common phenomena in rabies disease. Okay. Hydro means water and phobia means fear. So water fear is called hydrophobia. Example: a dog that bites a human being must be observed for symptoms of hydrophobia. Next word is hyperbole. Hyperbole. Hyperbole means exaggeration, overstatement. Example: this salesman is guilty of hyperbole in describing his product. It is wise to discount his claims. Okay, otherwise the people will feel as if deceived by the salesman. Next word is hypercritical. Actually, the term hyper means excessive. Okay, so hyperbole means excessive statement or overstatement. Next word is hypercritical. Hypercritical. Hypercritical means excessively exacting or excessively demanding situation. Example: you are hypercritical in your demands for perfection. We all make mistakes. We all are human beings. Next word is hypochondriac. Hypochondriac. Hypochondriac means person unduly worried about his wealth. Worrier without cause about illness is called hypochondriac. Example: the doctor prescribed chocolate pills or placebos for his patient who was a hypochondriac. Next word is hypocritical. Hypocritical means pretending to be virtuous, deceiving. Hypocritical people go to temple just to show people that they are also following religion, but actually they are having no reverence for the God. Okay, so they are just deceiving people. Example: I resent his hypocritical posing as a friend, for I know he is interested only in his own advancement. Okay, so hypocritical word can be used in many contexts where you find people to be pretending to be your friend or relative, etc. Okay, so this was the last word for today. Thank you.